G'day, I'm Kath Molloy and welcome to M.A.D for Mondays. I'm here with a special guest in Mumbai, and I call it Mumbai because it's Bombay or Mumbai, and
It's Mumbai.
and we like to have a bit of fun with that. So what do you do on a Monday to make a difference in your life, or just what do you do to make a difference? And let everyone know who you are. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Sandhya Shetty and I'm born and brought up in Mumbai. I'm a model, actor, karateka, and I've won a Commonwealth gold medal in karate for India in 2015. Now, essentially, I want to make a difference because I think every person has a passion, and my passion has got a voice in many different ways. And today, I just want to convey one thing straight away. This world belongs to men and women equally, and I want to give my passion and voice to all the women out there. I have become strong over the years, following my passion of karate in spite of being a model and actor, and I want every woman out there to be strong physically, mentally. You are beautiful, you are intelligent, but just get strong because you need to save yourself to protect your family, because you are the foundation, the mother of all good things coming for the future. Thank you.
And that's a big wrap and a big thank you, because I think as mothers out there, we all need to make sure that we look after our daughters too and give them those skills to keep them protected in this world as we work with creating equality. Speak soon. Bye.